The grants mentioned in the second paragraph primarily serve what purpose? A. To serendipitously come across a few very rare examples. B. To increase the possibility of making findings by collecting more material. C. To become a professor. Or D. To find the most ancient rock samples. Let's begin by taking a look at the context in which these grants are mentioned in the text. We see them mentioned at the beginning of the second paragraph, where we learn that Turner serendipitously came across a few very rare examples of the material. Later, Turner says, "When I became a professor and had my own grants, I was able to return to the field sites and collect more material so that I had a more robust collection to work from." From here we see that due to the grants, Turner gained access to a larger collection of materials. As it was through these materials that Turner eventually made her discovery, we can see that the grants very much so played a role in these discoveries. Based on this, it would seem that our answer is B, to increase the possibility of making findings by collecting more material. If we'd like to be cautious, we can take a look at our other choices. A, to serendipitously come across a few very rare examples, can be marked off, as we see in the text that this happened before she received a grant. C, to become a professor. The text mentions Turner becoming a professor and getting her own grants, but doesn't make a specific connection between the two, or indicate that one led to the other. This can be marked as incorrect as well. And D, to find the most ancient rock samples. While the grants allowed her to collect more material, the passage doesn't specify that the purpose was to find the most ancient rock samples. Therefore, this can be marked as incorrect, and we can stick with our original answer, choice B, as our final answer.